Good day and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're talking about vocab words from week number 4. Now, here are our words for this week. Dismal, bustle, sucre, ensemble, hearth, and repertory. So let's go ahead, let's jump right into the words for the week. Our first word this week is dismal, dismal. Now this is an adjective, so it's the way you describe something, and it means causing gloom, dejection, or something gloomy, dreary, cheerless, or melancholy. So let's think about a few things we could describe as dismal. The weather could be dismal. Our life situation could be dismal. A house, a job, a person could be dismal. Even our feelings could be dismal. If you take a look at this picture here, you could see that it's of a forest in the winter time, and it just looks very gray, depressing, and dismal. So I'm using dismal here as an adjective, dreary, gloomy weather. The next word is bustle, bustle. Now bustle is a verb that means to move or act with a great show of energy, often followed by about. He bustled about cooking breakfast. So if you hear that sentence there, bustle is an action. So we have to do this. So oftentimes we can bustle to our job. We can bustle on the roadways. We can bustle as we're shopping. If you look at this busy image, this is of a town in Japan, and you can see everybody is bustling about, maybe doing some shopping for the holidays, but they are moving about with great energy. Alright, the next word is sucre, sucre. Now this is a noun, so it's a person, place, or thing, and it means help, relief, aid, or assistance. A person or thing that gives help, relief, or aid. So this nurse would be a great sucor for this woman who is ill. Another person who could be a sucor is your mother, your father. They provide aid to you. Maybe a friend, maybe a firefighter, a police officer. All these people provide sucor or are a sucor, an aid or relief person. The next word is ensemble. Now this is a noun, and it's also a person, place, or thing. An ensemble is all the parts of a thing taken together, so that each part is considered only in relation to the whole. So this group right here would be considered an ensemble. They work together. They are unified. They are in harmony with one another. So they're working together to perform a great piece of music. Another thing that could be an ensemble could be a sports team, a group of artists working together to create a film, a group of teachers who are working together at a school to teach students. Anything that's working together in harmony to perform a greater goal is an ensemble. This word is hearth, and this is a noun. So it's a thing. A hearth is a thing, and it's the floor of a fireplace, usually of stone or brick, often extending a short distance into a room. So right in front of this fireplace is considered the hearth. It's also the home or the fireside. So we have two chairs that are sitting next to the fire. This represents the hearth. So a hearth is a place that's warm, it's a place that's homey, a place where there's a lot of love and affection. So a hearth, a fireplace, or warm fireside. Next is repertory, repertory. Now this is also a noun, so it's a thing, and it's a type of theatrical presentation in which a company presents several works regularly or in alternate sequence in one season. So you can see these actors are working together. They are a stage group of performers. So this is a thing, and they're working together to present several works. So maybe their first act is a comedy, maybe the next one is a tragedy, maybe the next one is a drama, but they're performing many different theatrical presentations in one season. So this is a repertory. Okay, so thanks for joining us today. Here's a summary of what we learned about. Our 6 words this week were dismal, bustle, sucre, ensemble, hearth, and repertory. I've also provided you here a paragraph that uses all 6 words correctly, so please feel free to stay here as long as you need to review your words. But thanks again for joining us on this vocabulary lesson. Bye!